So I bought a house. This is my brother Daniel. He's manning the camera. You can't really see him, but I'll show you. Yeah, I guess I'll show you like what I want to do to it. I'll show you right now. Actually, no. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like walk through the house.
Okay.
And then like show pictures and show you guys the changes that I want to do to it. So that's what we'll do. Cool. So I'll show you my house. Boom, 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 boom. So got a living room. And I was super lucky because like a lot of the stuff had already been done, and so a lot of it is just like staging, but there's a lot of changes I want to do, and I'll show you the changes at the end of this video. But I really like the vaulted ceilings. Vaulted ceilings, nice and cute. The cute little fireplace. Kitchen's like all done. Have this cute hallway. My bedroom, bathroom, and like the vaulted ceilings go kind of throughout, except for the bathroom. First thing I did was add a bidet, because that's important. Bum health. Bedroom. With all of my clothes. Because I don't own a washer or dryer yet, okay? Sue me. Don't sue me. Give me a washer or dryer, GE. I really like the bedroom with the vaulted ceilings. Vaulted? I feel like I'm saying vaulted weird. Vaulted. I kind of wish that I would have done this tour before when it was all bare. But I've been living here for like a month now, so that's what you're getting. You're getting like a month of me living in it. Then, give me. Oh, you animals, go away. Go away. This video might include me organizing this. This is like all of my stuff from the last house and the house before. And there's so many like unfinished projects within these boxes that would be interesting to see. One thing that's kind of cool about this garage is I can park a car on top of this, and it's a little carpet. Oh, spiders. I can't reach. But yeah. And then a little stage. Honestly, I think it'd be fun to like throw some like cute little like concerts here. Little house. It's also the backyard has like a stage as well. I'll show you. But first, I'll show you the basement. So I don't know if you can see, the camera's wide enough. But we have really tall ceilings, which is fun. A really wide staircase, also fun. Ruby pooped on the carpet already, twice. We have one bedroom, not much to really see. This is just like service area, so it has like a water heater, nothing, it's fancy. How the service room is set up on the room next to us, this whole wall back here, there's like another like probably like maybe 3 feet, where that's like where all like the piping is. So I think I want to extend this wall back like another foot and like redo a lot of this bathroom stuff, but also animals. Same thing goes for this room, where this wall can go back like another like probably almost 4 feet. No, 3 feet. And so what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna blow this wall out. Right here where like my washer and dryer could be, I'm gonna put it back into the wall. And so the washer and dryer will be like right here, and the wall will be here. And then there'll just be like a really long bathroom with the washer and dryer in it, which I feel like isn't gonna be too dumb. This is just storage, like under the stairs storage. But Dan and I want to make a secret bookcase. So it's like a bookcase that like go. And then that's River's room, my roommate. So we're not gonna go in it because he's sleeping, probably. But yeah, that's the house. I'll show you the backyard real quick. No. Where's your manners? Okay, go. Scooby-Doo's out the door. I don't know how well the audio is, so I'll probably voice over this part. We have a deck here. And... oh, I should my pants more. I have this deck, which would be like a fun stage. Then a pond right here that I need to fix. It's all dry. And then this place right here is like covered. It's kind of fun. Might turn into like some outdoor theater room. The front yard where we started. Yeah. Ooh, but let's go check out the shed in the back. Just like a house of arugulas. What are they really called? Perugulas? And then this. Originally I was thinking this would be cool to turn into my studio so I don't have to like drive to my studio to work and film. I also have my big like 8-head screen printing press from like, oof. I don't know how many years back there was a video about that. That would fit nice here. But now that I'm thinking about it, I kind of want to turn this to like into like a little casita or like a mother-in-law unit. Run some water back here and then Airbnb it out. And then we have a lot of space over here. That I don't know. There's more space to do something. There's a lot of projects to be done. And I think I'll probably have like one video a month where it's kind of like focused on the house and projects in the house, kind of like I did the coffee table. So that should be really fun. Cool, fun new house homeowner. I've already had like 10 problems. And then one problem happens that I have to fix it, and then it turns into another problem, and homeowning stuff. Cute artist homeowning stuff. So cool. Cool. Alright, so here's my cute little house. So first thing I want to do is actually add a fence so that my dog can be in the backyard and enjoy her backyard. And then match the fence there on the right side, maybe add some pavers, maybe add some plants and stuff to line the driveway. Take the same wood from the fence and put it around the what are those called? The garage doors. Change the garage doors, paint that black, and make the roof a little bit brighter. And we're actually going to start that today, but before I do...
So, huge thank you to today's sponsor, Canva. So whether you're creating landing pages, ads, stories, posts, blah, 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 whatever, a lot of it comes down to having good design and catching people's eyes. So what Canva has done is they made it so you can have that professional design without breaking the bank on hiring a graphic designer. You can choose from over 400,000 premium templates that are all customizable so that you can make them match your brand and your voice. So with Canva Pro, it's super easy to use. They'll streamline your design process so you can create and share high quality designs in just a few clicks. It's just one subscription and endless content, a bunch of different creative templates, stock photos, and much, much more.
So it doesn't matter if you're a professional designer or just getting started, Canva Pro has a bunch of premium features such as brand kit, background remover, magic resize, and content planner, as well as an endless collection of premium fonts, photos, videos, templates, and much, much more.
So whether you're a team of 2 or 2,000, Canva Pro had made it so you can collaborate in real time and get feedback with your team. You can brainstorm ideas, review products, and keep that ball rolling from start to finish, all with Canva. So spend less time stressing about a design, get it done, and beautiful and professional looking. So y'all can actually get Canva Pro. So for a 45-day extended free trial by going to the link in my description and start creating those custom templates and designing with your team. So cool.
My sweetheart brother was nice enough to help me post those into the ground. And then the next day I started adding in their woods, kind of just making up as I was going. Kind of stoked that it was working out. Had to cut them to size to cover up the those are horizontal, the horizontal woods. And then if I came here on the back, I wanted to hide some of the wood on the back and also make it look pretty from that side, because that's what I see when I look out my front door. Next, I added a cute little gate like I said I was going to do. Nice job. And just match the same pattern there as I did with the fence. And there we go. We got a gate. I need to figure out a way to latch it to the house, or like I kind of want to put like a wheel on it and maybe make a stopper, but yeah, it works. And so next, I actually wanted to strip off the paint around the outside of the garage and maybe see if I can like stain it the same color as the fence. So I just took some stripper and sprayed the outside there on both the left and the right garage, and we're just gonna let it sit. But first I gotta take off the hoodie because it's not sweater weather yet. It's so close. By the time I get back from Hawaii, it's gonna be sweater weather. So next, I just strongman the old wood off. There you go. Good job. Honestly, this demo was probably the funnest part about this project. You know, I just had to first crawl back on through the other side with my mallet. And I want to do is just pound them out. Good job. I was really happy to have that hammer. The hammer? Sledgehammer? Sure. And then do that to the right side. Pew, pow, pew, pow, pew. With that, I already had done some of the fence and thought that the stripper had sat long enough. And when I was scratching off, it like kind of came off. But the paint was so thick and there was another white layer underneath. I think the best way to do that is I'm gonna have to like pry off the wood there and just put new wood on. So I'll probably redo that when I redo the garage part of that. So I just added stuff to the back of that gate there, and then when I tried to open it, that was too long, and so it just wasn't opening all the way. Because you know, who measures twice and cuts once? Just go for it. So I had to redo that and cut it to the size so that I could open it up, and there you go. Now it hinges open all the way. Good job. We made a gate. So with that all done, I just had to stain it. I think that's what I did next. Yeah, there I am taking that rug to protect my concrete and just started staining away. Wanted to go with like a natural color. Yeah, I don't know, I thought it looked nice. It is like a little orangey brighter than I was anticipating, but we're stoked for it. And done. And so I actually just have a picture because I forgot to take final video of the fence and didn't realize that until I was on the plane editing on my way to Hawaii. So cool. Alright, so be sure to like and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that bell notification. And yeah, if you want to be a Shmoody Pie and get your name on my video here at the end, just go to my website.